One of the questions I get asked a lot is, how can I be better at estimating? Oh, I tell you what, software developers, project managers, it is so hard to estimate projects well and correctly, but there are some tips that'll really help. Number one, be really good at your assumptions. When you put down that something's going to take a week, put down why. What's you need an asterisk next to that and say that it's going to be this small task, this small task, this small task, and this small task. And you need to be clear that if there's 7 other small tasks that end up needing to be done in there, then your estimate's not valid. You have to tie that up, and then you have to have the discussion with somebody who knows if those tasks are needed or not needed. It's critical to review those assumptions. Don't just review the final numbers and say, oh great, the project's going to take 3 weeks. Well, what's going to take 3 weeks? You need to have a very clear list of details that explain what's happening in those 3 weeks and get agreement, get consensus that that is a fair value of work for the project, for the return on investment. Every project is an investment. Customers are paying for this time, and it's critical that we agree together that that's the tasks that are being done. And a lot of times when you're doing those reviews, you'll discover that there's more tasks that need to be done, and you work it out with that customer to determine if those additional tasks should increase the length of time for the estimate. But that's number one tip, is make sure that you write down all the little details of the assumptions that go into that estimate. Then you're much more likely to be in agreement with your customer on that.